What is up? So it's been snowing all night. I should be going to work. I've charged the drone battery, the phone cases, phones. I got all my kit together, just pretty much having a coffee and ready to go. I'm really hoping to find some deer running across snowfields. I've never done that before. I've never flown the drone in snow either, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. Stick with us. Let's see how we go. Mission on.
I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home.
Hey guys, what is up? We are moving. It's
It's still snowing.
It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's still snowing, and actually I'm just heading off to the woods now. Just met up with my friend Richard, who has to go to work. Unlucky dude, because I'm off to the woods to play. So yeah, the snow's looking great actually. Apparently the main roads are clear, so I might have to go back into work a little bit later. But I've got a couple of hours to go play in the woods. Gonna go try and see what footage we can get. Plan is right now to just get into the woods and just use the gimbal, see what kind of shots we can get whilst I'm in the woods. That would be nice. The trees I can see just from here are looking absolutely stunning. There's white snow all over the bare branches of the woods. Looking back towards town, I can see fields, snow fields with sheep and beautiful rolling landscapes. Just incredible how much snowfall changes the environment and changes the landscape, you know, a landscape that you're totally used to seeing every day, you know, and it just looks so different. It's just totally transformed. That's the exciting thing about snow. And I don't know about you guys, but when I open those curtains, I am literally 10 years old again, you know. And I was 10 years old when there was actually real dinosaurs around as well, you know. No lies, guys. I was actually around when there was real dinosaurs. So yeah, it's just so exciting. And with photography and with filmmaking, you know, it's like it don't get much better. Beautiful snowy scenes. So I'm really happy out here, just lost in the middle of nowhere right now. So yeah, I'll I'll give you an update once we get to the woods. Actually, the woods are just up in front of me now, so not too far away at all. So let's go see what we can get, guys. Here we are, guys. This is it. So had a great little drone flight. I just had her up above the treetops and the canopy, looking out over the woodland and onto the fields beyond the woodland. Just walking down through the woodlands here, and I just caught a couple of deer. So I'm just going to keep my wits about me, see if I'll get down to the edge of the woodlands and see if there's any deer sort of around the periphery of the woodland, and if I can see them, then I'll get the drone up and give that a go. But actually the Mavic 2 Pro is doing very well in snowy conditions. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. I'm really loving it, and let's go see if we can get those magic shots. All right. Well, hopefully got some nice footage in the bag. The conditions are beautiful, but a bit cold. I'm ready to get home now, have a coffee, and better ring into work and see if I've got to go and do some work. But actually, I don't think the snow's gonna go anywhere too quickly. Just love being out in this environment, just out here on my own, just with nature. This is really what my whole channel is going to be all about. So yeah, I really just now I'm just trying to find with inspiration. You'll see my little films, my little short B-rolls going up on the channel. I just want to really, you know, get an idea now of where I want this channel to go, you know, exactly. Kind of really just at the moment finding my way with the vlogging. I'm very new to vlogging. I really hope to try and get much better, and apologies guys, you know, if I'm not so good, you know, it's very new to me. Filmmaking, you know, is new to me also, so it's a big learning curve for me right now. I'm always been involved with photography, although I've had quite a while off. That's kind of what I really aim to do, to inspire people. Wow, what could be better? But you know what, I'm loving the journey, and I'm really glad to have you guys here as well. So trips out to Southeast Asia. I've been in Thailand 3 times now. I've been into the Philippines 3 times. I've toured Southeast Asia. I've toured Vietnam, northern Vietnam, Indonesia. There's still loads more that I want to do, still loads more places that I want to go. I love Southeast Asia. So yeah, I'm primarily a wildlife guy. I'm very interested in nature, wildlife, particularly insect entomology, amphibians and reptiles, you know. Anything dangerous, you know, snakes, cobras, poison arrow frogs, big centipedes, spiders, tarantulas, all that kind of thing. You know, I really enjoy. I also love, you know, the iconic wildlife like eagles, you know, just being out in nature, you know. Really for me this is what it's all about. So I hope to get back to Southeast Asia, and I think there might be a car coming or a tractor. Joys of living in the countryside. There's a car up behind him as well, so. Hopefully guys, this footage makes it into a little vlog, and hopefully I've got some nice footage in the bag. This is the bag, by the way. This is the bag. This is the bag that the footage goes in. So there. So hopefully I got some nice footage in the bag. And over the weekend, course of the weekend, hope to be able to find a little bit of time to start getting that edited up together. And let's see if we can get this up online. Thank you for following. Smash that subscribe button. That would be very much appreciated. If you could turn on the bell icon, you know, as soon as I upload something, you will get a notification. That is really the best way to keep up with what's happening on my channel. And peace, guys. Beautiful morning from here in the Somerset countryside. As you can see, there's a bit of blue starting to permeate through the snow clouds there. It's still hovering around freezing, so I think this snow's not going to go anywhere too quickly, you know. So yeah, let's hope I can get out again, do a little bit more before this snow is done for this year. All right, guys, peace out. So hey guys, good morning. What's up? So it's been raining. It's been snowing all night. Not raining. Awesome. Anyway, I better wrap up this little vlog. My hands are absolutely vlog even. My hands are really freezing cold. Oh, I forgot to add, I'm freezing.